Hello everyone, I'm the History Guy, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of cardboard production at a local Pakistani factory. Let's get started. First up, we have the raw materials. This machine is crucial at its grains to the raw paper, which strengthens and hardens. Once the paper is properly grained, it's time for the cutting process. The machine cuts the cardboard into smaller, uniform pieces, preparing it for the next stages of production. Next, these pieces move to the glue section. Here, an automatic machine applies a precise amount of glue to each piece of cardboard, ensuring consistency and quality. After the glue is applied, a thin layer of paper is added on top. This step is essential as it further strengthens the cardboard, making it durable and ready for various uses. Now, we move to the die section. This is where the cardboard is shaped into the desired sizes and forms. The precision here is key to meeting the specific needs of different products. Then, the cardboard goes through the glue section once again for the final press. Finally, the cardboard is ready to be shipped. It's now ready to head out to markets and factories where it will be used in countless ways. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the cardboard making process.